Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple Battleaxe. See, this is the old Battleaxe. I hope you like it. So let's see how to do in Solidworks. It is a very interested and simple project. Now here let's start to make the Battleaxe. I prefer to choose front plane sketch. First select center line. Draw a horizontal and vertical center line. Exit. Choose corner rectangle. Exit. This is the rectangle. Just select these three lines and make relation symmetric. Now select smart dimension. Select 5 centimeter. Make sure our units are in centimeter. Okay. Select circle and draw a circle here. Let's keep the diameter 2.5 mm and the distance from origin point it must be 15 mm. Okay. Now expand this circle. Choose here center point arc. Start from this center point up to here. Exit. Now let's define this radius. 4.09 mm. Okay. Again choose center point arc. Select this point and start a circle from here to this point. Exit. Let's make the radius. Keep 7.5 mm. Okay. Now select this inside line and make construction line. The same here, select this line, construction line. Choose corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Let's say width 3 mm and the distance from here to this line must be 1 mm. And let's define the length 7.5 mm. Okay. Now select these three lines. Mirror. Mirror about this vertical midline. Okay. Now see, our geometry is fully defined. So just go to feature and select extruded boss. Here choose this face and this face. And extrude up to 2 centimeter. Okay. Now this is the one of the part of Battleaxe. Choose fillet. Keep 0.5 mm. Select this inside face. Select this face. Okay. Again keep fillet 0.5 mm. Select these edges. The same as opposite direction. Okay. Now you can see. Now select this face, sketch normal. First draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line from origin point. Exit. Choose circle and here draw a circle and let's keep the diameter 2 mm. Okay. Now simply extrude. Choose 3D view and extrude up to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter long. Okay. That's it. Keep fillet 0.5 centimeter and select this corner. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now here we will make the wings. Wings for Battleaxe. Choose line and start from this bottom line to this line. Go here. Come back and convert it as a exit. Choose center line and draw a midline from this exit. Choose center line, mirror and select these lines and mirror about this midline. Okay. Now choose here 3-point arc. Exit. Now select this center point of this arc and select this point, merge. Okay. Now let's define. Keep 2 mm. Radius make 5 mm. Keep 3 mm. Make 4 mm. Now the geometry is fully defined. It is by default 12.41. Okay. Now we want to mirror this full geometry to opposite direction. So first draw a horizontal line, a vertical construction line. Make sure it is vertical. Choose mirror. Now select here all the lines. Mirror about this line. Okay. Now it is mirror. So let's extrude it. Select extruded boss. Reverse direction and 0.5 centimeter only. Okay. Choose fillet. Keep 1 mm and select this edge. And here bottom side only 2 faces. Select OK. Now we want to mirror this flange. So first we will create a plane. Choose front plane. Go to plane and create one plane. See, it's going to create a one plane in mid. Keep 1 centimeter. Okay. Now the front plane, this plane already selected. Choose mirror and select extruded and fillet. Select OK. Now see, hide this plane. See, the 2 faces we created. You can see it here. Select this face, sketch normal, and we want to create some. First draw a line. cancel this, delete this line first, and draw a line just from this point to this point. Draw a line let's make this length 7.5 mm. Okay, again choose a line, draw two lines, again expand this line, exit. Now we will define these lines. First make angle 30 degree, 30 degree. Make the length outer 3 mm and this inside 3.5 mm. This also 3.5 mm. Okay. Now select mirror, select these two lines, mirror about this line. Okay, select circle and draw here 5 circle at the corner of these points. Okay, let's define diameter 1 mm. These both are the same, and define this 1.5 mm. Okay, now select these 3 circles, make relation equal. Okay, now select center line and draw a vertical center line. Now select this all geometry, mirror about the center line. Okay, now we want to make hole here, so select extruded cut, select here through all. See, okay. Now you can see the hole is created. Let's choose fillet 0.25 mm. Here you have to select one by one. The same as back side. Select here OK. It may takes time because the more calculation. Now see the holes created. Now here we will make the blade inside. So select this inside face, sketch normal. Choose a line and as usual start from here to this point, then up to 5 mm upward, then convert it and make a circle. Draw a vertical lines. Define this length 1.5 mm. Choose center point arc and start from this line. Exit. Now let's define the length, circumference 1.31 mm. Okay. Five mm, 4 mm, and keep this radius 7 mm. This also 1.5 mm. Or let's reduce this 1.2 mm only. Okay. Choose center line and draw a one horizontal center line. Choose mirror entities and select this all lines, mirror about this center line. Okay. Select here 3-point arc. Select this line to this line. Let's define the diameter, radius. .98 mm. This is the radius. Okay. Choose here center line. Vertical center line. Now this all geometry we want to mirror it. So select this blade full geometry, mirror about center line. Okay. See its mirror. Now select extruded boss. Keep the how much? Make 1 inch, 1 centimeter. Keep remember, see we started from end point of this. Okay. Now here we will change the color. Select this extruded boss, go to appearance, chrome, and we will prefer chrome plate. Now see the blades we selected. Choose chamfer, distance 0.5 D1 and 2 centimeter. Select first this face and next face. Okay. Now see it's become a sharp knife. Again choose the same chamfer, distance 0.5 and 2 centi. Select here one edge of blade and the second edge of blade. Choose OK. Now see here, this is also a sharp knife edge. Select both the chamfer and material chrome finish. And this body material we will prefer black iron. So choose from one end to this end. Go to appearance. Find out here iron, and I prefer sandblasted iron. See, this is sandblasted iron. Select this face, sketch normal. Select center line. Exit. Choose here center point straight slot. Okay, now let's define this slot. Keep the radius 0.5 mm and the distance from this end make 4 mm and keep the length 8.2 mm. Select this length 4 mm, radius 0.5 centimeter, sorry not mm, centimeter, and distance from this point, let's say 3.2. Okay, now this oblong we want to mirror. Choose mirror, select this oblong and select this line. See, it's going to mirror here. Okay, now select in feature, go select extruded cut, keep here through all. Okay, choose fillet, select both sides edges, .15 centimeter. Okay, so this is the blade, it's blade for Battleaxe. Now we want to make some cutout in this face, so select this face, sketch, draw a center line, choose a line here, exit, make sure this horizontal and vertical. Now let's define .7 mm, .25 mm, 1.3 mm vertical distance, and horizontal distance also keep 1.3 mm. Choose offset 0.5 mm, select this line, choose reverse. Okay, select 3-point arc, half circle, and the same here also, half circle, exit. Now let's define the gap from outer line, 0.75 mm. .75 mm. Now see, the geometry is fully defined. Choose mirror entity, select this all geometry, mirror about this vertical line. Okay, now go to feature and select extruded cut, cut depth 0.5 centimeter. Okay, choose fillet, keep radius 0.15 mm, select OK. Now this whole and things we want to mirror, so choose our plane. We created one plane in between, mirror about, select this extruded cut and fillet, select OK, delete the fillet, now fillet again you have to choose here, select this right feature 90 edges, see Okay, that's it. Now we will make the handle. So let's start from top plane. Top plane, it is in bottom position. So choose top plane, sketch, normal. Select center line and draw a one center line. Choose center rectangle and find out the midpoint and draw a rectangle. Let's define the length. 4 mm and the width or height you can say 2 mm. Okay, choose fillet. Keep radius 0.75 mm and select the full rectangle and see it will automatically select all corners. Select OK. Now select extruded boss. Select reverse direction and only up to 5 mm, 5 centimeter. Okay. Now see. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Choose center line and draw a one vertical line. Again choose center rectangle and find out the midpoint and draw a rectangle. Let's define the length. 5 mm, height also 5 mm. Okay, 5 centimeter. Choose corner rectangle. Select the radius 2 mm, 2 centimeter. Select this full rectangle. Okay, okay. Now select extruded boss. Now this is the handle. So extrude up to 50 centimeter. Okay. See, this is the main handle of Battleaxe. Select this end face, sketch, normal. Here also draw a center line, construction line. Choose center rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Keep length 7 mm and height 5 mm. Select fillet. Keep 2 mm radius, select the rectangle. Okay. Okay. Now select extruded boss. And extrude up to 4 centimeter. Not more than that. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Draw here a center rectangle, or better to draw a center line. Choose center rectangle, find out mid plane, midpoint. Now define the length. One mm and distance from outer line 2 mm. Now this is the size of our rectangle. Now extrude it. Only 3 mm. Okay. That's it. Now go to feature command, choose here chamfer. Select distance. Keep 3 centimeter and 0.5 and select this 4 edges. Okay. Choose fillet. Select this all 4 corners. and select two corners here also. Okay. Now the next end, choose fillet, 0.5 and select this corner. Okay. Choose chamfer, 3 cm, 0.5 cm, 60 degree. Select this edge. Okay. Now see the all edge converted. Now select this face. Here we want to create a knife. Sketch, normal. Select line. Now let's define the length. Keep 2.5 mm. Okay. And mirror these two lines about. Okay. Now let's try to extrude. Extruded boss. Extrude 3 cm and let's say 10 degree. Draft outward. Okay. Select this face, sketch. Go to sketch and select convert entity. Now this face converted, simply select extruded boss. Select 20 cm and keep degree 7. Okay. Now this is the knife edge created. Select this both the body, go to appearance, chrome plate. Now see, it's chrome plate. Now select this knife. Select this face, chrome plate. Even choose now here we will define some cutouts. Select this all, go to iron, sandblasted. Now see, this whole area covered with same material. Now it's time to define the raw material for this rod. Select this rod and choose brass. I prefer cast brass. That's it. Select this face and iron, sandblasted iron. See here, select this edge. brass, cast brass. Okay. Now select this face, sketch normal, and here we want to create a hole. Keep the diameter 2 mm and the distance from origin point 1.6 mm. Connect with origin point. Now the geometry is fully defined. So select extruded cut and make the depth 0.5 mm, not more than that. Okay. Select the plane. We created one plane, plane 1, mirror about, select this cutout. See, it's going to mirror in opposite direction. It's mirror. Choose fillet, select inside edge, both direction. Okay. Choose this fillet. Okay, so now this is the our Battleaxe. It is chrome plated, and this is the blasted iron, sandblasted iron, and this is the handle is brass. See, just save this part to desktop. Battleaxe. Battleaxe is already there, so I'll choose Battleaxe 1. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, and don't forget to share and like our video. Thanks for watching.